You're watching Airspeed TV.
Good morning. I'm AT2 Diaz, your friendly neighborhood 600 Division Greenbelt representative at FRC Southwest. Whoa, that was a lot. Let's try this again. Good morning. I'm AT2 Diaz. Today, we'll be walking around the work center to identify 2-second improvements we can implement to make it better. Let's take a look. Hey Smith, you okay over there?
Nope, I can't find the mounting bolts.
Well, what do you guys usually do with the bolts?
We usually put them in a math bag.
Where do you put it after that?
We don't really have a place for it.
Well, I'll help look.
Gonna find her. Gonna find her. Gonna find her. Gonna find her. Yeah, I've been searching. I'm searching. Oh yeah, searching everywhere.
Hey, I found them. Seems like an odd place to place them.
Must have been a tall person who put them there.
What? And?
So how can we fix this problem?
I think the question is, how can we improve this process? Let's think. The bolts go here when installed, and that's all they're ever used for. So why not just leave them there?
That's a great idea. I'll get working on that right now.
2-second improvements don't have to be grand. Small improvements can take as much as a year or as little as 2 seconds. Let's check back with our improvement implemented. Hey Smith, let's start working on milling machine serial number 01 Echo.
Okay, let me get everything ready. Okay, we're ready.
See what our 2-second improvement did for us? It made our process faster, simpler, and safer. Anyone can make improvements. Anyone can make a difference. Thanks for walking with me today, and I hope you got something from this message. Take care, and airspeed.